In this video, you will learn how to combine images on iPhone. So if you want to combine photos together on iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro. And without any further delay, let's learn how you can combine multiple images together on iPhone. In order to combine pictures together on iPhone or iPad, we will be using an app named Shortcuts, because even after iOS 26, the iOS doesn't provide any direct way to combine images on iPhone or iPad. You can find the Shortcuts app inside the Utilities folder on your iPhone, but in case you can't find that, then you need to go to App Store, and chances are you might have deleted that. So after going to App Store, simply search for Shortcuts and the app will appear. Next, you have to download and install the Shortcuts app, and once you have downloaded and installed the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad, next tap Open and the app should open like this. Here you can see there are three tabs here at the bottom: Library, Automation and Gallery. And in some cases there are chances that the Shortcuts app will also open something like this. So you don't have to worry, you have to simply go back and you can follow from here. Alright, so once you see this screen, you have to tap on all shortcuts, and here in the all shortcuts we will tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Now next we will search for an action here inside the search action field. So tap on it and simply type photos. And after that, these options will appear, from which you have to select the option that says select photos. So tap on that, and after that simply tap on this forward arrow and more options will appear. From these you have to enable the toggle next to select multiple so that it should select multiple photos. After that we will search for the action again, and this time we will search for images. And when you search for images, you will see combine images, which you have to select. So tap on that, and as you can see, this shortcut will select multiple images and combine photos horizontally. Here you can also tap on the option for horizontally and select other options like vertically or in a grid, depending upon how you want to combine the photos together. I'll select the option for in a grid, and after that I'll search for the action again. This time I'll search for photos, and after you search for photos, these options will appear, from which you have to select save to photos, so that after combining the images, the combined image should be saved. Here you can see save combined image to recents. That means this will save the combined images to recents on your iPhone. And now we are ready to go, but before that we will simply tap on this arrow here and rename this. Tap on rename and rename this shortcut so that it will be easier for us to remember or recognize. I'll rename it as combined images together, and once that is done, I'll tap on this done check mark so that this shortcut will be saved. And next we will go back and you will see this shortcut added here, and after that you may also long press on the created shortcut again, and this time select the option that is details. After that you may enable the toggle next to show in share sheet so that it should be showing up in the share sheet menu, and you may also add to home screen, and then select any of these and tap on add so that it will be added as shortcut on the home screen. And once that is done, simply tap on done check mark, and now the created shortcut is ready to be used. Now if I run this shortcut, simply tap on it and you will see this will open up the photo selection window where you can select the photos that you want to combine on your iPhone. I'll select this one and this one and this and this. So I have selected 4 photos, and I'll simply tap on done check mark now, and this will combine all those 4 photos into a frame, and that will be saved in iPhone camera roll. So I'll minimize this and show you the created photo here in the photos, and now you will notice that it has created an image with all 4 images combined together into a single frame. So this way you combine multiple images on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful, and now you will be able to combine multiple photos together on iPhone or iPad. And by the way, if you want to learn how to put 2 pictures side by side on your iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.